कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल
How to speak with the reader? Very good.
कुछ भी नहीं कुछ
Okay, how to coordinate with teacher? You know why rhythm is important.
We have tried to explore every facet of theatre in form of different modules, giving more time to them. May it be Vachikam, wherein you learn how to read a play, or voice modulation, knowing about what is theatre, script writing, or story development, how the story is developed. The kids have written their scripts, their own stories, and done a Vachikam on their own stories.
So with this long season where their actual performance came in at almost towards the end of the process, what made you stay and what do you think happened?
So yes, dedicating all the weekends to EIPP Excel, so to say, the kids never complained. We never complained because when they used to go for the class or come back, they were really happy. Plus, we were regularly called for little short showcases. So they were like a little window into their growth journey.
Everyone wants the ruby, but the ruby wants only the worthy. I trapped him, Sunil. I trapped him in a jungle of shadows, deep within the forgotten realm.
Give him back, you monster! What do you want from me?
Scene 1. The scientist's lab. The room is dimly lit. Strange machines line the background.
So, I finally cracked it. We can use hypnotism not to harm, but to help people.
The 7 common plots about what journey is, what adventure, fantasy.
Very comfortable with teamwork. At times we also falter in our offices, in our workspace. So when you can do it, that means anyone can do it, and even we have to learn from it.
They have done it so nicely, they have divided the scenes, who is writing which scene.
But I just love the way they coordinated the ideas, the teamwork that I have seen. How they coordinated, that I felt in the group was excellent. Like the teamwork was very good, specifically present everywhere there was a problem और बच्चों ने ही वो solution और दूसरा I think it's just a second reading session only इन्होंने एक creative चीज को कैसे उसको commercialize करना है they are also learning the tricks of the trade so that is very
कभी भी ghost वाली movies और horror movies नहीं देखते हैं और पता चले यहाँ पे हमारे बच्चे सभी के thought processes उस पे ही जा रहे हैं.
This is his second season. He's been participating in Elephant in Pink Pajamas, and to be very honest, even I am surprised to see the growth.
Better for who, Max?
And this is because of the efforts put in by the Hive team. I just love sending my child here, and
मैं हूँ पॉकेट मास्टर जिन्हें दुनिया के वो सारे वर्ल्ड के मास्टर्स को है.
I think I can see the improvement. You know, the reading part, the Vachikam part. We are very happy as a parents. So thank you so much, Hive.
We have also tried to incorporate various experts lectures in this workshop, like Pratik Rathod, Harshal Vyas for physical movement, Kabir Thakur, who for the acting purpose as well as on the set in theatre, how the settings is done, technicalities, what aspects needs to be included. So we have tried to give an overall perspective of theatre with a little depth to the children.
और एक दूसरे की वॉक भी कॉपी नहीं करेंगे. एक्शन. In mime also we have to follow lots and lots of physical movement. How he is using his expression, his body.
Shortly, there is a mall, there is a laboratory, there is an office, there is a home. So how many sets we can bring in?
So whenever you are playing a parent, that thing you can add. You can add a multitasker. You can add वो छोटी छोटी चीजें आपके पापा कैसे करते हैं. जैसे अगर मैं पहले राइट सॉक्स पहनता हूँ, आपके पापा कैसे करते हैं, पहले कौन सा जूता होता है. You all are doing very good. बट वो छोटी छोटी डिटेल है तो आपके माउंट डेड क्लब में से अरे मेरे बेटे या बेटी ने तो कंप्लीटली मुझे कॉपी कर लिया. बॉबी सर के कैसे करना है. आप इतने दिनों से देख रहे हो बॉबी सर को. वो फोन पे कैसे बात करते हैं, पानी कैसे पीते हैं, वो आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे देते हैं, वो आपको डांटते कैसे हैं, सब कुछ.
The export session was my favorite session. He made us do a very fun activity where we had to switch roles, and then we enjoyed a lot in that activity, and we also learned that everybody should remember their dialogues.
ऑडियंस को नहीं पता डायलॉग क्या है, ऑडियंस को हम स्क्रिप्ट नहीं देने वाले. आप जो बोलोगे वही सच है.
This is my roots. This is my roots. This is my branches. I goes up. I open up. This is different way. You observe. Go slower. આપણે ઘરે નથી જવાનું. હજી વાર છે ને? તો ભાઈ તો હું આમ ટ્રીપ બની ગયો સર ઘરે જવું. From the shoulders, open your more. Lose your elbow slightly. You know the mango how is happening. तो मुझे mango लागे तो क्यों नीचे आ गया है. Start to working with your body. The meditation already started because start to imagine a lot, and you start to understand. Okay, this is my body. It's like trunk. My hands are slow branches. When I say start, you're supposed to be start. Okay, close your eyes. उससे हम लोग वॉक करना शुरू करेंगे. बोलो 1 2 अंदर डालें 3. अभी उसको शिफ्ट करेंगे 0. अभी वापस बाहर डालें.
I love EIPP all the seasons. So whenever EIPP is doing any play, I'm joining that play. That's it.
It was our third season and my friend Viana, she was playing 2 characters and it was her first time doing any theatre. But on the final show that she was not able to come on her entry in her second character, and we all covered up for her, and then after the performance ended she was pretty nervous to come on stage. But the minute she came on stage, all of us went and hugged her, and I think that is also one of the reasons I join EIPP every time, because of the warm feelings, the welcoming attitude and the loving group that we're with. Yeah.
This is my first EIPP session, and I felt like this was the best class I have ever done in my life, because Bhavya sir and everybody is so kind in the class, and the teachers so nicely. Before I was like, I was very shy when I used to speak in public, but since when I joined EIPP, I am standing very confidently. I made new friends here, and I learned so much about theatre. We are gonna have a pizza party soon, and the friends here, they are so friendly and playful.
Earlier we used to play Nadi Parvat when we used to get breaks. We used to take extra time and play a lot. We used to have so much of fun. Now we have good roles, and now our performance is also so better. I learned theatre exercises are very important.
Body language. So like whenever anyone is speaking, like just my hands, feet, my legs are moving, so that I need to improve and stand straight.
Tickets!
kind of home with EIPP. There are kids who have been there with Hyson season 1, and they have been like guiding angels for Ayanj. And when they come over here, they keep their inhibitions out of the door. And that is kudos to Team EIPP and Hive. Then they are not judged. After each EIPP session, they turn the garden into football pitch, all because they have that bonding with the senior kids in the team and with the younger ones.
Like adaptation, I've learned, my confidence level has gone up and stuff like that.
What is a part that you love?
I love performing in front of people and the feel of doing a play, completing a play after so many times. The practice feels good. And like the hardest part is, suppose when if some of your fellow characters have forgotten their dialogues, then you might feel like the play is going to go flop, but then you have to find another way of. It's happened.
So, what are some of the most important skills you guys have learned in theatre?
Getting out of your comfort zone and adapting to every character you get, because you might not always get someone who you want. Like if I don't want to be a mom in the play, then it's not my choice. Like I have to adapt to the character, and that's the flexibility part that stretches us to think beyond the point where we
Helps with communication.
It helps us in express our feelings. Helps to know stage fear.
So I've done theatre other than Elephants and Pink Pajamas, but I got a different feeling here because this was such a long workshop and we did so many things.
Art field sculpting no course karyo, then I work as an art teacher. I do paintings like commission work for Raja Ravi Verma kind of painting and everything.
What do you really like about this whole environment of performing arts?
Freedom. ઘણી જગ્યાએ મેં વર્ક કર્યું છે, જેની અંદર આ સ્પેસિફિક જગ્યાની જો વાત કરું તો મને અહીંયા ફ્રીડમ મળી છે. કઈ રીતે મને એવું નથી કે આ રીતનું જોઈએ છે, આ રીતનું જોઈએ. મને મારી રીતના ફ્રીડમ મળી છે. હું ગમે એ વસ્તુ યુઝ કરી શકું, ગમે એ રીતે કરી શકું.
क्या हो?
पार पार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशा.